Well, hello there. Thank you for tuning into our channel, Budgie's Bus. Those that don't know me, my name's John. I'd like to thank all our subscribers for being patient and sticking with us over for the last month, as well as all our viewers. We've had a lot of fun and games this month, and I've just hadn't had a chance to upload anything. Those of you who know us pretty well now, we've been fostering one of my granddaughters, and we've now just gone through the courts and everything to make it permanent and to give Carol and I guardianship over her. Anybody that's gone through it, you will know you got 7 lawyers, a judge, plus social services and their guardians, as well as parents. It's not been a very easy time, but that's all now over and done with, so we can get back to making our videos. Also, just to fill you in, we did actually pick up the motorhome last Saturday. I'm sorry we didn't actually film us picking it up. It was a last minute thing. We were out the house and we got a phone call saying, can you pick it up this weekend? And that was on the Friday. So I had to get my son to run us straight down, and I just forgot to pick it up. So in the next couple of days we'll be doing a video, walk around the motorhome, show you what it's like inside and out. As we said in an earlier video, it's a Bursner 748 2G. It's nearly 8 meters long. It sleeps 6 people comfortably, but I'll show you a bit more around it. Also, we've not had a chance to do the final review on the 2 electric bikes we've got. That's basically because the weather's just been bad as well, on top of all the other things that we've had on going. So please bear with us. Carry on liking if you don't mind, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you know when we've uploaded a new video. And once again, thank you to all our subscribers and our viewers, old and new. Without you, we wouldn't be doing this. It's your inspiration and your ideas that make this channel work. So please leave a comment and click the like button if you don't mind. That helps us as well. So for now, that's it. I will get another video up before the weekend. So stay safe, take care, and most of all, happy travelling to you all. Bye for now.